Hello students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 6 on chapter number 11 Algebra, and today we are going to do exercise 11.2 from Ncert. Let's begin with question number 1. The side of an equilateral triangle is shown by L. Express the perimeter of the equilateral triangle using L. Now here the side is given as L and we know the perimeter is sum of all the sides. An equilateral triangle, it is made up of 3 sides. So what we can do to find out the perimeter? It is side plus side plus side, or the best way to do is 3 multiplied by side. And what is side? Side here is L. So the answer will be 3L units. Question number 2. The side of a regular hexagon is denoted by L. Express the perimeter of hexagon using L. Now hexagon is made up of 6 sides. Now they are talking about a regular hexagon, which means all the sides are equal. Like in equilateral triangle, all the 3 sides are equal. Same way in a hexagon, all the 6 sides are equal. So to find out the perimeter, either we will add all the 6 sides L plus L plus L plus L plus L plus L, or the best way to write is 6 multiplied by L, which is equal to 6L units. Question number 3. A cube is a 3-dimensional figure as shown below. It has 6 faces and all of them are identical squares. The length of an edge of a cube is given by L. Find the formula for the total length of the edges of a cube. Now we know that cube is a 3D figure and it is made up of squares. When we join 6 squares together, then we get cube. Now this, when we join the 6 sides or 6 faces of the squares, then it means it has 12 sides. Like for example, it will have 4 walls, it will have 1 top, it will have 1 bottom. When we calculate all the sides or the lines, if you see, you calculate the lines, it will be 12 lines, or we call it as 12 edges. And each edge is denoted by L, as all the edges will be equal as it is made up of square. So we will say that the required formula will be 12L units. Question number 4. The diameter of a circle is a line which joins 2 points on the circle and also passes through the center of the circle. So in the adjoining figure, AB is the diameter of the circle, C is the center. Express the diameter of the circle D in terms of radius. Now diameter is a straight line joining the 2 ends of the circle passing through the center. And we know that the half of the diameter or the point from center to the circle is the radius of the circle, which is half. We know the diameter, so radius will be half of it. So if I want to know diameter will be twice of the radius, 2 times radius. When we join 2 radius in a straight line, then it forms a diameter and it will always passes through the center. So it means I can say diameter will be 2r. Question number 5. To find sum of 3 numbers 14, 27 and 13, we can have it in 2 ways. We can first add 14 and 27 to get 41 and then add 13 to it to get the total sum of 54. Or we can add 27 and 13 to get 13 to get 40 and then add 14 to get 54. So what is happening over here is we are just shuffling the numbers in the form of addition, and we have to select these in a form of ABC and write it in a form of associative property of addition. Now let here there are be the numbers 14, 27 and 13 in a form of A, B and C. So if I want to write it in case of a formula of associative property, I can write it as in first bracket A plus B and then I will add plus C, and which is equal to A plus the second group will be B plus C. So I need to put the bracket to show the arrangement of my numbers. And To be very clear, whatever the arrangement is there in the case of addition, answer will remain the same. Either you take left hand side or you take right hand side, both left hand side and right hand side will be equal. That's all for this exercise, children. I hope you must have found it very easy. Very soon I am going to come with the next exercise. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.